Introducing Mannol ATF Multivehicle JWS 3309. The universal all-season high-viscosity synthetic transmission fluid, meticulously crafted for modern automatic gearboxes. Key features: advanced low-viscosity synthetic base for consistent high performance in all temperatures. Cutting-edge additive package for optimal anti-friction properties, ensuring smooth shifts and fuel efficiency. Increased thermal oxidative stability for reduced wear and extended service life. Comprehensive metal protection against corrosion even during periods of inactivity. Excellent resistance to aeration and foam formation. Compatible with various sealing materials, reducing maintenance costs and preventing leakages. Noise reduction for a quieter driving experience. Specifications: upgrade your transmission care with Mannol ATF Multivehicle JWS 3309.